In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to set up the sales company preferences. Go to File, Preferences, Company. We'll go down to the Sales. First, we have our general options. On our receipts, we can show how we want to display the full customer name. When you're printing a group item on a receipt or order, you can decide whether you want to just print the group price only, or if you want to just print the item prices only, or if you want to print both the group and item prices. You can also choose to require a promotional code. This is if you want to require a promo code on all receipts. You can also choose to require a manual media count or XZ out. This requires entries in the media count window on the Z out cash drawer report. You can also choose the preference to allow selling miscellaneous items from receipts. The best practice is to turn this off unless implementing QuickBooks Point of Sale Desktop for an existing business, and even then for a limited time. The next one is to allow the return of more items than sold on a receipt. And then the next section is regarding the open cash drawer. This controls what tenders will open the cash drawer. Usually it's the check and the cash. The next section is the discount section. The best practice is to require a reason for manual discounts. You can also choose to print coupons on receipts. If a coupon is set up in the price manager, an option can be set to print the coupon on the receipt. And you can also decide if you want to include the coupon on every receipt, every so many receipts number that you choose, or when the receipt total exceeds a certain dollar amount. You can also choose to exclude receipts with rewards customers assigned. The next one is the receipt message. In the receipt message, you can enter text written on all the receipts given to customers. You may want to put a thank you on here. You may want to put your return instructions on here, or news about an upcoming event. With the shipping section, you can enable the shipping manager to use the Ship Manager engine for UPS shipping only. This also allows for adding or removing various other shipping types, for example, store, truck, etc. And the last one is receipt tendering. You can turn on or off the various type of tenders to be accepted, as well as the credit cards to be accepted. You have the tips feature. This can be turned on or off. And you also have the ability to block on-account sales when outstanding charges are past due beyond a specific time. This can be controlled in the past due payment section. Once you have set up your information for sales the way that you want, you can click Save. Takes us out to the home screen. And that concludes our demonstration on the sales company preferences.